Be honest, how many times have you explained the same thing to an AI? Your project, your preferences, what the usual report means. And tomorrow, a blank stare. We've all just accepted it. That's how AI is. Goldfish memory, new chat, clean slate, start over. This February, a free project called Hermes decided that was ridiculous. Since then, over 200,000 developers have started, the fastest-growing agent project of 2026. And just this week, reports put its maker in funding talks at a $1.5 billion valuation. Its whole trick? It does not start from zero, ever. Quick recap for anyone who missed the lobster episode. OpenClaw is an agent. It lives on your computer. You text it like a friend. It has real pincers, your files, a browser, your messages, and it works while you sleep. And Hermes? Hermes can do every single one of those things too. The split is what happens after a job is done. The first time you ask for something new, say, "Make me my Monday report." It struggles a little, figures it out, takes a while, and then it does something almost human. It writes itself a recipe. "Here's how we do Monday reports," and puts it on a shelf. Next Monday, it pulls the card, done in a fraction of the time. And the longer you work together, the thicker that shelf gets. Your shortcuts, your preferences, your way of doing things. Now, to be fair to the lobster, OpenClaw has skills too, thousands of them. But those are installed by you, like apps. Hermes is different. It writes its own from working with you. Nobody installs the recipe for your Monday report. It couldn't exist anywhere else. Nous Research, the team behind it, calls those recipe cards skills, and their own measurements say that once an agent has written itself about 20 of them, similar tasks run roughly 40% faster than on a fresh install. Engineers call this whole idea a self-improving agent. And now you know the secret. It's not the brain getting smarter, it's the recipe shelf getting fuller. And this isn't theory for us. The research digest for this very episode landed at 8:30 this morning, sent by our own Hermes, running on one of our studio machines. Nobody programmed our morning briefing format. It learned how we like it and wrote the recipe itself. Now, the honest part. A thing that teaches itself can teach itself wrong. A bad habit written down becomes a permanent bad habit. Here's the redeeming detail. Hermes' recipes are just plain text files. You can open the drawer anytime, read exactly what it has learned, and tear up any card you don't like. So, same rules as last time, small room, read only first, plus a new one. Read its recipes. What this means for you. Software that compounds. The gap between a fresh AI and your AI gets wider every single week, which changes which tools deserve your time. So ask this of anything that claims to learn you. Can I see what it has learned? If the answer is no, be careful whose habits it's forming. So, can an AI really remember you? What exactly lives in that memory? That's coming on AI from Zero. And the lobster versus Hermes story, that's only just beginning. Subscribe and tinker along.